Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kathy here with OMG Tesla. Today I wanted to update you guys on my third service appointment, what went on, what went wrong, and let's just get right into it. So starting off, my car was in the service center for about 2.5 weeks, just a little bit less than that, but it was only supposed to be in the service center for maybe 2 days. What happened? During that time, I didn't receive too much communication as to why my service appointment pickup time kept getting pushed back. I would try to reach out, but no response. Eventually, I was able to get in contact with my service advisor, who let me know that there was actually some damage that happened to my rear hatch while they were trying to replace my rear windshield. They weren't actually replacing my entire rear windshield, they were actually replacing the seal underneath that. But still, somehow something went wrong and it actually damaged my paint protection film and the ceramic coating. I think that if I didn't have that there, it definitely would have damaged my paint just because of how much there is that went on there. From the picture that I got while the car was in service, it actually looked a lot worse than what I saw in person. However, that was also with the rear windshield off of the car. So a lot of that time that my car was actually in the service center, it seemed to be mostly waiting for their in-house paint guy to come and check out my car. Once he arrived, he stated that he was not able to fix it just because of where the damage was done. It's kind of in like a weird crevice, and the angles of the car, it just made it almost impossible to fix the paint. However, once I took a look at it, I noticed that it wasn't really the paint that was messed up. It was actually my paint protection film and the ceramic coating. Just to give you an idea, it could cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 to get something like that replaced. And so I personally was not satisfied with the fact that they were offering me $250 in credit for service centers. Just didn't really make sense to me, so I actually had them ask their manager if there was anything else they could do, and it seems like it's going to be fixed. I'm going to get reimbursed for the cost. So with all these videos that I've made about my issues with my Model Y, I have gotten the question of whether or not I would purchase another one if given the chance, and honestly I would. If I didn't have this car right now and I had to return it and get my money back or something like that, I would turn around and buy another Model Y. I know that sounds insane to think about or even to hear, but honestly, that's just how I feel, and I love this car, and I just can't imagine driving any other car. Whether it's this one or the Model 3, it's something that I don't think I can let go of. I'm not sure why. Maybe I've somehow joined the Tesla cult, but that's just how it is. If you guys are interested in getting a Model Y of your own, I would highly recommend waiting. However, if the issues that I've run into aren't really something that you really care about or wouldn't bother you, then definitely order one. If you are going to order one, use my referral code down below. You'll get 1,000 miles. I'll get 1,000 miles. I can make more videos like this for you guys. But honestly, I would really recommend waiting if you can, because all of these issues will hopefully be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe down below. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to hit that by my birthday, so if you guys can please hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video for good measure, and leave a comment telling me what you think. If you think I'm crazy for even dealing with this and my patience. In my previous video, I did start to lose my patience, but now that I have my car back, I feel a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If this is something that would really bother you, then definitely wait on the Model Y and don't purchase one right away. But personally for me, I am still very happy with my experience and my purchase of this vehicle. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.